Hey, stock market traders. Thank you for coming back. Hope you're finding valuable information in these videos. Let's get started. Let's take a look at some charts for December 23, 2021, which was last Thursday. Looking at the S&P 500, another update. It came within like 4 points from the new all-time high. So expect that as soon as tomorrow. I just feel like it's getting extended up this much in 4 days. I think it's getting ahead of itself. So a pause here and some consolidation will be very welcome. But since it's breaking out of this multi-week range, prices can really get going. I would only buy on a pullback. There's no way I'm going to buy up here after this big move. But it looks very strong and ready to make new all-time highs. Let's take a look at the 15-minute chart. Look at the big move from 3 days ago. Look at the magnitude with really no pullback, not even a quick pause. That is bullish. Let's now take a look at the Nasdaq 100. Similar to the S&P 500, a big move from 4 days ago. Now it's trading above all moving averages. It will experience some resistance up here. I still own my original position and I want to add, but there's no way I'm going to be buying up here. Ideally, I would like to see some consolidation, find another good entry point around this area or up here. But after this big move like this, there's no way I'm going to be buying more shares. I'm just going to manage my current position. I am bullish as long as we remain above this 16,000 level. I raised my stop loss, so my stop loss will be below that level, which means it would have to dip below these moving averages and heavy support before I get stopped out. Anywhere around here, like I said, will be very normal. A little pause for a push higher. It is still in an uptrend above all these moving averages, so the path of least resistance is north. Now let's take a look at the Philadelphia Semiconductor Index. Price behavior is very similar to the Nasdaq 100. It's still in this trading range. It's still above all these moving averages. So the path of least resistance is up, but I would not be surprised to see some consolidation before pushing higher to new all-time highs. Expect some choppy action if we get stuck around this zone right here. But looking at this chart is just implying higher prices from here. Looking at the Russell 2000 ETF IWM, it is still in a very steep downtrend. It gets quick bounces to this trend line and dips lower. But this last bounce was actually able to get above all these moving averages. And now it is trading between these moving averages of 100 to 200, but it's above this 20-day moving average. So expect some choppiness here. Do I expect something like this? No. I think the less likely scenario, or the most likely scenario, will be spending some time around this area and then try to push higher. If it can push higher above that 50-day moving average, I will consider buying on a pullback. But for now, I'll just watch it closely. It is still in a downtrend, but it's looking better. Anyways, guys, that has been my analysis for last Thursday. Thank you very much for watching and come back again tomorrow.